In this video, we will show you how to replace the battery for a 2010 through 2015 Chevrolet Camaro. To open this key fob, your first step will be to push the button and release the key. You'll want to just take your thumb and push on this back panel until it pops open, and you'll find the battery is located here. To get the battery out, you'll simply push down on the battery and pull back slightly to release the battery. The battery used in this key fob is a CR2032. Once you have the old battery out, to replace it, simply slide the new battery back into place. With this key fob, it is plus side up. When you have the new battery back in, you can snap the back of the key fob back on and close the key. If you found this video to be useful, please like and subscribe to our channel and visit us online if you need to buy a new key fob.